Hello, hello, welcome back to Red Ted Art. Yes, Ted, our mascot, is back, and this time we have a paper puppet for you to make. We love the paper puppets here on Red Ted Art and we thought we had to have a Ted puppet. So come on, let's take a look and see how he's made. To make the Ted puppet, you will need the printer ball, a hole punch, some scissors, some string or ribbon or something to do the mechanism, scissors for the string, and some of these brads. So these are called brads or split pins. You can usually get them in a, let's see if I can get the, there you go, that's what they look like. You can usually get them in a stationery shop. So these are called brads. Anyway, first thing we're going to do is cut out our Ted. So we have our Ted, and now we make the holes with our hole punch. Line them up so that you get the hole as neatly as possible, and repeat. This one's a bit tight, that's okay though. And on this one as well, don't worry about it too much. Some people have got slightly bigger hole punches and it works really well. But this will still be fine for our little puppet. So, get our brads, our split pins, put them in. And your basic teddy is done. Now you can leave him like this if you want. He's fun to play with as he is. Or, which I think is what we're going to do next, is we're going to add the little mechanism at the back. So to do that, we shall thread our baker's twine. There we go. It's a bit tricky because it's quite thick, but it should work out all right. And I'm going to begin, I'm going to make quite a long piece actually because I only have to thread it once. Begin by finding the hole here and pushing through. Like I said, it's quite a long piece. It's not the end now. Position the arm down because then you get the right length, and again find the dot on this side and pull the thread through. Again, make sure the arms are down because this is the resting position. Cut a little bit and knot off. There we go. Repeat at the bottom. Again, find the little holes. They're here, just above. Knot the end. Then find the hole on the other side. Push the needle through. Okay. Now you need to add the mechanism. For that you tie a piece into the middle. So this is the middle. Okay, and then you need to straighten it. This is the tricky bit because you do need to have it as straight as possible. So you need to tie another knot at the bottom. But when you knot it, you need to have a perfect eye. If you don't have a perfect eye, you'll find that either the arms don't move so well or the legs don't move so well. So this is the bit you really have to try and get as neatly as possible. Here we go, I think that works. Let's see. The moment of truth. Oh, look at that. And then you give it a little shake and he comes back down. Yay! Ted's here giving you a little wave. Isn't that adorable? If you like that craft, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and we'd love to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.